base number that can be written as pi square. Pi square and was your normal pi only. Now I can take this one out. We are having a formula. Is log of a log of e. So similarly, when I'm saying here in pi your 2 and a is your 5. Right? So simply using this formula, I can write this by 2. I can take out this number outside by 2 of log to pi and 5. And we are having one more formula, that is if basis on this, I can write this one as 1. So similarly, this is written as 1. So the resultant 1 by 2. Now, similarly, let's look at it. So looking at 81 over here, I can write 81 3 to the power of 4 and 3, and using the same logic formula here, I can write 1 by 4 of log of 3 or 3. So using this over here, I can write this 1 1. So overall result. Let's look at the third bit. How to do that? Of 4, I can write as 1 by 16 written as 2 to the power of 4 directly. 16 written to the power of 4 directly. And now we are having a formula 1 by 8 minus n. Using this formula, this incidence of this formula, I can write this one as log 2 of 2 to the power of minus 4. I am having one more form. This log of e power of m can be written as m log of e, m log of e. So I can split this over here of log 2 of 2, as you all know that log of e, because base a log a to base a equals to 1. So I am left with minus 4 into 1. The overall result here is minus 4 on d. Hope this is clear. Like log a of 1 is equal to 0. So I can write here log 7 of 0. The value of log 1 to a base value of log 1. The logic here is value of log 1 is always equivalent to 0. So let's look at the next one over here. See, how can I write this root value? Log x of x to the power of 1 by 2. Root can be written as 1 by 2 directly. I can shift this here using the formula 1 by 2 onto log of x of x. This can be written as 1 d1. The result here is 1 by 2. Using the formula over here, log e of e1, and over here I am using the log of e m is equal to am, or else am is equal to log m log e. Okay. So similarly, let us look at some here, 512. How do I write this? I can write it as, I take the value log 2 into 512. So this can be written as log 2 to the power of 9. Okay. Now this 9 can be shifted here using formula 9 of log 2 of 2 to the 9 only. We have used here the formula log of, here we have used log. Okay, I hope I am clear. And 512 can also be written as power of 9, right? So let's look at the next one. That is okay. Yes, see this value here. I can write log 10 as, I can write this one as what 1 by 0, this one is written by 100 only. 1 by 100 can be written as 10 square. Okay, and this 10 square can be written 10 minus 2. And this number is shifted over here. That is log of 10 of 10. And the earlier sum using the, so the answer is minus 2. What I am using here? Log of x to the power of n of x. Over here, as you all know that log of 1. Okay. So these are the formulas which were used. So similarly, let us look at the next sum over here. How can I write this? Log of 2 by 3 into, I can write this 3 by cube, right? By cube, right? So I'm shifting this number over here using the formula log of x to the power of x. Using this, I can write this 3 of log of 2 by 3 to 2 by 3 only, right? So in log a of a, as I can take this as 3 into 1. So overall answer is 3 over in this case, right? So let's look at the ninth one over here. Okay, we are having a formula that is a to the power of m into a to the power of m. We are having a formula a to the power of m plus n. Okay, by looking at this, which is right side over here, so I can directly write this as 2 square into 2 of log 2 cube, log 2 cube. So I can write this as 4 directly, and over here, if you are seeing log a of n is the value, we are having a formula here. A log a of n always only n. So in this scenario, the n value became as 3. So 4 into 3 is your 12 as your required answer. Okay, the following expressions you need write the following expressions as a log n and find their values. Okay, see over here we are having this formula in logarithms. We are having a formula log of m plus log of n is equals to log of m into n. Okay, as we are having addition here, so this shifts out to be log of 2 into 5. So this is, I can write this as log of only n value, right? So this value is what? 1 only directly. Now this is your subtraction thing. Whenever you are having subtraction, that is log n is equal to, the resultant is log of m by n. So using this formula, I can rewrite this one as log of by 2. And then dividing this comes out log 8. Right? Log 8, you are having a base number here 2. Okay. So I can write this as log 2 as 2 cube, and I'm shifting the number over here. So this becomes 3 into 1. So the answer for this one is, we know one more formula, that is log a of a equal to consumption. This value has to be of 1 value. So let us look at 3 here. Let us look at the third sum here. See how to write your 64 can be written as, if 4 can be written as 4 cube, like this, right? We have recently where this value, the middle value log a m, be written as 1 to log e a and n. So similarly, using that, I can write this one 3 into, I can write this directly as how? 3 into 1 by 3, 1 by 3 into log 4 of 4. So the resultant of this one 1 by 3, this becomes 1. So we are left with only 1 at so we are left with 1 at last. Let's look at the next bit. Okay, as I have said you in the earlier sums, we are having always, that is, we are having m of n. I can write this log of n to the power of m. Right? Using this logic, I can rewrite these values as log of 3 square minus log of 2 cube. So this comes out to be log 9 minus log 8. So you know that log of m of n, but log of m divided by your m. Using this formula, I can write log of 9 by 8 as your required answer directly. As your required answer directly. So let us look at the next sum. Then look at the next sum. I can use this one as repeat for here. So I'm using the same logic. This formula log 10 plus log square minus log. So this step is clear. The next step I'm writing this log 10 plus log of 9 log, log 2, isn't it? Log 2, isn't it? So in the next step, I hope this is clear. Now, similarly, what we can do here is we are using log of a plus this. I'm just using log of a plus or b. I can write this as log of a to b. Means I can write this too as log of 10 to 9. Similarly, I can write log a minus log b, log of a by b. So I can write this one as by 2 directly. So at last, what I'm getting log 90 by 2. When I divide 90 by 2, I'll get log of 45 only as my required answer. So let us look at the third bit. Okay, so we are following terms of x and y. If x is given like this, y is given like this. 2 can write 3 as your okay. Now as you are having into symbol here, let me log of m into n is but as you set log plus n, isn't it? So I'm using that formula over here, so I can write log 2 of 3 plus log 2 of 5. And the log 2 of 3 plus log 2 of 5. And here it is given as this value of x and it is as your value of y. Okay. So I can write this one directly like this. Okay, so this is equivalent to so let us look at the next sum over here. So this is how much? This is 7.5, right? So how can I write 7.5? That is log. So that is log 2. 75 by is your answer. 75 by 10 is your answer. How can I reduce this log 2? In 5 is a 75 by 10. This divides out 2 times. Means at last I can write log 2 of 15 by 2 only, right? So if you remember log of m by n, the formula with log of m minus log n is given by log of m by n. Using that formula, I can write this one as log 2 as log 2 of 2. Isn't it log 2 of 2 directly? Okay, I can use this one as directly, and you can see this minus 1. I can write the rest as log 2 of 3 into 5 directly. Means I can write this 3 into 5 as log 2 3 less log of s to 5 minus 1, and this is given as x plus y minus 1. I'm just substituting values of x and y at last. Okay, so let us look at the next step, that is log base to 60. How can I write this one? I can write this as log 2. This is just your 4 into 3 into 50. So if you do this out, you'll get, right? As you're having multiplication, you know the formula becomes here addition and substituting the required formula. The required formula is, you know that, this one. That is log of 2. Okay, now I'm substituting the values of x which were given in the out here. So this is your x value, this is your y value, and this value becomes what? 2 into 1 plus x plus your y, that is at last your plus x plus y only as your required answer. Let's look at this number. So how do I write this? Write this number, I need factorization. We have no option to do. I'm dividing this 2 times, getting this number when it's your table 1 5 times, and again this is also divisible with only table. Here also 5 times goes out 3 125, then I equal this comes out again 25 times when uh, fifth table, that is 5 5 is right, and right table 1 is left over. Means I can write that as 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube. Means let me write it and show it to you. That this can be written as log 2 into 2, log 2 into 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube. If you are having multiplications, you are having 2 as log 2 of 2 log 2 of 3 cube plus I can write here log 2 of I cube. Value becomes of 1. Okay, now this number is shifted here, so we are having 2 cube plus we are having 3 log 2 5, right? So I'm just substituting the values again and get 3x plus 3y as your required answer over here. Let's look at the fourth bit. If you look at the fourth bit, we are asking expand the required numbers, right? So let us see the expansion, how it is done and maintained. Log of 1000. So log of 1000 can be written as log of 10 cubed directly. So this is shifted here as we know the formula log 3 of this is only your 10, right? So I can write this log 10 is only 1, so the answer is 3 at last. Okay, so let us look at this one. How do I write it? I can write 120 as 2 to the power of 7 by this number as 5 to the power of 4. See, if it is division, we are having a formula that shifts to your fraction. I hope you remember the formula. Log of m by n, which is log m is log directly. So by using that, I wrote up this equation. Now I can shift this number over here. How I am shifting that number? I can hang one more formula. This is your required formula. Okay, so here I left over log 4 of log 5 directly. Okay, so this is your required form, expanded form. So this is x into y into z. So I can directly do the other form, that is m into n is log n, isn't it? So using that formula, I am writing this one as log of x plus log of y cube plus log of z to the power of 4 directly. Now I'm shifting these numbers using this formula. This comes out to be 2 of log of x plus 3 of log of 1, 4 of log of 3 directly. I'm sorry, this is not 3, right? This is Z. Okay, Z directly, which is your required formula. Let's look at the next one over here. Yes, if you're looking at the next one here, I need to use two different formulas for this. That is log of, I'm having m plus log n equivalent to your log of m into n, which is your required formula, and the other formula is log of m by n is equivalent to your log m minus n. Okay, so let's see how do we use this formula, and we need to use one more formula, that is log of a to the power log of a on b. So let's see how do I write this. See, first I will be taking out the multiplication. Okay. So log of a square plus log of cube log of r to the power, right? This r to the power of 4, I think. So r to the power of 4. Okay. After this, I'm shifting this to the other side. 2 into log b square answer log q minus 4 into your log r, which can answer. Now I'm removing out the root for this other sum. So this log of x cube by square, this root is as 1 by 2 only. I'm substituting this one inside, means 1 by 2 into the square root. Then I'll get log of 3 by 2 by of 2 by 2. Only 1, right? So we are left out with log of x3 by 2 by y1, right? So this is m by n. You to use this formula again, and I'm using that formula again. I'm getting 3 by 2 as log x minus log y, which is your required answer. Right? I think I have skipped a step here, that is log of x to the power of 3. Now I need to shift so that I'll have this answer at last. Okay, so let's look at the next sum. This is your fifth sum. So what we will do here is we are writing this formula, the square, which is equivalent to x square plus y square plus xy. Isn't it? Isn't it equivalent? Right. Okay. Here given. What is given? That x square plus y square is 55 times of xy. Okay, I'm substituting in so that the resultant becomes here x plus y whole square equal to 25xy plus times of xy. So the overall result comes out to be 27xy. Okay, now what I'm doing, apply log on both the sides. Okay, now when I'm applying log on the both the sides, I'm getting log of x plus y to the whole square, log of 27xy, isn't it? Right? Now I'm shifting this over to the other side. As you know the formula, 2 times of log of x plus y equivalent to your log of 27xy, which is log of xy. Okay, so what we need to do to the next part here. Okay, okay, let's see how to do this one here. So what is left out now? 2 into log of x plus y. How to write log of 27? As you're having everything here into, I'm using for m into n formula. Okay, when I use this, what is the formula? This one. N, right? Similarly, I'm using this one over here. When I use this, I'll get log n plus log x plus log y directly. And I can also write log 27 as 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Now I'm shifting this one over to the other side. So this is 3 into log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay. So the overall answer is 2 into log of x plus y, which is your required to prove in the RHS sum here. Okay. So here I can say that LHS is equivalent to your RHS directly. So let's look at the next sum. So if you are observing the next sum over here, look at this. This is log of this is equivalent to this one, right? So I am taking this value as it is. I'm taking this value as it is, and given thing is 1 by 2 of log of x plus log y. Okay, so you know that x plus y, I can write this one as log of xy because I am having a formula mn is nothing but log m plus your log n, isn't it? So I can write this one here and directly. Also by using this formula, log of m equal to n in log of xy to the power of 1 by 2. And as you all know that log of by 2 is nothing but root times of xy. Okay. So this is also equivalent to this one only, right? So that is log of x plus y by 3. Okay. Log of x plus y by 3, right? I'm removing the logarithms both sides. I'm shifting the denominator to the other side. So x plus y equals to 3 times of xy. So this is your required equation, isn't it? Now, what I will do for the sides, you need to do squaring on both the sides. When I am doing that, this comes out to be x plus y to the whole square is equivalent to 3 into root times of x plus y to the whole square. Okay, the whole square equal to, now this is in the format of a plus b to the whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2 times of a into b equal to, I'm shifting the square inside, so this becomes 9, and this is your this part, isn't it? So this is into, again I'll get what, xy. When I do this one now, this xy becomes a square thing, isn't it? Square thing, and so means I can write it like this, right? So square and root is removed and xy is left out. Okay, so xy is left out. So x square plus y square. I'm shifting this one to the other side. So here we are left with only 9 times, right? Minus 2 times of xy. Now when I am doing this, x square plus y square is 7 times of xy. Okay. Now at last I need here, if you're looking at the sum here, you are need only this value. So I'm removing these numbers and shifting to the other side. Here it is in multiplication. When I'm shifting to the LHS, they become as division. So they become as division. Now square and this I is removed, square and this x is removed. So I'm left out with x plus y by x equal to only 7, which is the required answer. I hope everything is clear up to here. So let's look at the next sum. So given in point 3x equal to 1000, that is your 10 cube, isn't it? Now 2.3x can also be written as, I'm shifting to the numerator, so this is 3 by x. Also 0.2 of y equal to 2, isn't it? When I am shifting the value of that one, it comes out to be n of 3 by y. Isn't it quite good up to here? Now 0.23, how can I write this number? I can write this number as 2.3 by n. Okay. is equal to your 10 to the power of 3 by y. Right, good. No doubt after here, good. Now we need to equate this one now. See, this is equated to this one, isn't it? So when I'm equating this LHS, I need to divide on the RHS also to make it. What I'll get at last, I'll get n 3 by y. I can rewrite that as 10 3 by x. And just a dagger substitute. Yeah. I hope you are getting it. So this is again shifted upwards. So we are left with 10 3 by y is 10 3 by x minus 1. Okay. Bases are equal, so powers are equated. As bases are equal, powers needs to be equated. So here n is cancelled out directly. We are left with only 3 by y equal to 3 by x minus 1, isn't it? 3 by x minus 1. Now let me make everything to the other side. I'm shifting this here, the other side. Minus 3 by x plus 3 by y equal to minus 1. I'm shifting this negative symbol inside. 3 by x minus 3 by y equal to minus 1. Okay. 6 by x by 1 by y. I'm just shifting this number to the other side, which is the required equation at last. Okay. Which is your required equation at this one, right? So what I'll do is apply log on both the sides. Then what I'll get? I'll get log of 2x plus 1 equal to log of 3 1 minus x, isn't it? 3 1 minus x. So when I'm having this type of sums here, solve this. See, I'm taking this one here. I'll get what? 1 plus x log 2 equal to 1 minus x log 3. Log 3. Now I'm doing these two inside. Now I'm doing the multiplication thing. So I left out with log 2 plus x times of log 2 log 3 minus x times of log 3. X times of log 2 plus x times of log 3 is equal to log 3, and even this number is shifted to the RHS, so log 2. So this becomes your log 2. Now I'm removing out x common, x is removed out, then log 2 is left out, also log 3 is left out, is equivalent to log 3 minus log 2, right? He is asking here to remove the value of x. So I need only the x on the LHS. I'm shifting everything to the RHS now. Log 3 minus of log 2 I. Log 2 plus log 3, which is your required. Now you need to do these two multiplication for this log 6. See how, what is the formula I'm using? Log of m minus log of n. I use this in the numerator, and in the denominator I have used log of m plus log of n is equals to log of m into n as a required formula to get the answers, right? 2 equal to your x. Then what will happen? N to the power of x is obviously equals to your 2 only, but 2 cannot be returned. 2 cannot be written in the form n to the power of x for any value of x, isn't it? For any value of x, for any value of x. So at last I can say that log 2 is log 2 is irrational at last. Okay, so let us look at the next one. Is rational or not? Is same thing he's asking. So let us do the same thing. Let log 100, that is your S10, is equal to your x. So I can write this as log 10 square equal to x. So by using the formula log of n equals to, I can write this as like this. Means I can write 2 into log 10 of 10 equal to your 1. So this value becomes 1. So x is equal to how much? 2. Therefore, x is equal to, the answer is 2 over here, right? So therefore, I can say that log of 1000 is rational number. It is a rational. Therefore, log of 100. So this is only 100. So log 100 is 2. Hence, it is your rational. It's not irrational.